Assalamualaikum and hi, welcome to Latar Kudung Jeli Kelantan. We are from Greenhouse Environmental Consultants. From the construction of this purpose project, there are solid waste produced. So let's explore together with me.
The geographical profile of Latar Kudung is located at Jeli district. It is opposed from the University Malaysia Kelantan Jeli. The waterfalls of Latar Kudung also located around 50 kilometers from the Jeli town.
The temperature of this place is tropical climate, and the annual temperature is about 26.7 degrees Celsius and 2,562 nm of the precipitation falls. This cascade is come from the waterfall, which is high as 5 meters, and the current is shift. And we can see here there are some slippery stones. And the cascade here is shallow and look like the swimming pool.
Okay guys, so this is the first waste that we found, which is unused brick and steel rod.
Surplus bricks and scrap bricks will cause some potential impacts such as attract pests and vermins and jeopardize the safety of the workers. In order to minimize this impact, they need to handle the materials appropriately and control the purchasing activities systematically. Besides that, they should implement proper materials management plan, which include reuse surplus brick for the next construction job or as sub-base material. Contractors need to ensure legal disposal of scrap bricks at the approved dump site or recycling center. To ensure the materials and waste are properly managed, the proponent should record the quantities of materials employed and stored, and have close monitoring and surveillance on the construction site.
Okay, there are some other solid waste that we found here, such as paintings and also thinners. Okay, we can see here just the paintings, like the leftover paintings here. And then here's another painting you can see here. And then here you see that they just leave it here.
Paints and thinners release toxic smells that are harmful for human respiratory system. The mitigation measures that can be taken is by using paints or thinners that have low toxic and chemical contents. Other impacts are the spillage of paints that affect the fertility of soil and the leftover tins that become place for stagnant water that can cause mosquito breeding. Proper working procedure and waste handling must be implemented in order to reduce the impact. For environmental monitoring, Air Pollution Index (API) reading must be monitored. Chemical tests on soil also need to be done in order to know the fertility of the soil at the project site.
Okay, that's good. Things get more worse when the paints like spill to the soil. You can see here.
So next, the waste that we found, which is wooden pellet and timber. As you can see here, there's a lot of wooden pellet.
This impact will cause harmful toward visitors and will attract pests such as rat and snake. To reduce this impact, leftover wooden pellet must be kept in proper storage. Schedule-in monitoring should be done every week to maintain the cleanliness of the site.
This is the cement waste that we found in the construction site.
The potential impact for these cement waste are health impact and landscape changes. These waste should be reused on site. Environmental monitoring has been done for the waste disposal by the proper waste management.
So the unused PVC pipe and plastic waste are also found at the construction site. Let me show you. Here is the PVC pipe.
For the potential impact of PVC pipes, first, the workers may be attacked by the animals and this may endanger their safety. Second, it causes the disruption of the beautiful landscape of the waterfall cascaded. Next is the mitigation measures. The PVC pipes should be situated in a standing position to prevent the standing of rainwater and water, or covering it properly with waterproof canvas. Lastly, environmental monitoring is to ensure that the PVC pipes are well situated and not harboring any unwelcome pests.
So upstairs is the plastic waste. Here and here.
For the potential impact of plastic waste, first, it attracts pests and vermins. Second, it may become a favorable breeding place for mosquitoes. Next, one of the mitigation measures is contractor has to prepare a waste management plan to encourage materials recycling and waste minimization. Lastly, environmental monitoring. First, schedule monitoring is to ensure the site is free from plastic wraps. And second, implement scheduled dispose of waste to the nearby landfill.
The last waste that we found at the construction site, which is surplus wire mesh.
For the potential impact, this wire mesh will causing landscape change, provision and opening of depression on the surface. This wire mesh also may cause injuries to the worker and also create an illegal dumping site. For the mitigation part, the contractor needs to prepare the temporary storage and ensure this waste was deposited to the approval site and it also can be reused. For the monitoring part, the inspection should be taken by the contractor and the proponent expected to observe EMCA to minimize the environment pollution.
That's all from our journey. From our observation, we found out that we need to have a proper waste handling such as recycle bin, and also the waste need to be separate properly. We as a EIA consultant really hope that Lata Kudong will be a good recreational site in future. Thank you for watching. Bye!